Accidents are neither avoidable nor can you be mentally prepared for it. But being prepared with a first aid kit can be a lifesaver. If you have active toddlers like mine, you need to keep this handy and within your reach during emergency situation. You can either buy one online or assemble one yourself. Always remember to put back or replace empty items into the kit. This first aid box should be kept at one particular place at all times. It should be accessible to all adult members of the family. Now let's get directly into the video. The first item is disposable hand gloves, which offer an added barrier against infection in a first aid situation, and it also allows you to work with increased safety. The second item is cotton, which can be used to prevent bleeding from minor cuts, injuries, and to clean the wound. Nibasol powder is used for treating skin infection due to cuts, wounds, and burns. Dettol antiseptic liquid to clean the wounds and your own hands. Next, Dettol hand sanitizer. Before and after handling wounds, always sanitize your hands. Eucalyptus oil. Put a few drops of it in your baby's bath to relieve from cold. Savlon antiseptic liquid. It helps in disinfecting cuts and gives you a first aid treatment. Next is Calatril lotion, which is commonly used for treating itching caused by insect bites and by minor burns. Tiger balm helps to relieve muscular aches, sore throats, and cold. Siloderma mixi. Other than nappy rash, it also helps you to get rid of fungal infection. Betadine ointment can be applied directly on the wound to clean and heal it. Next are adhesive bandages of different types. You can keep both waterproof as well as non-waterproof, which can be easily used for any minor cuts and scrapes. Always buy individually packed or wrapped adhesive bandages. Tromboform gel can be used to reduce lumps and large bumps on the head caused by falling off from the bed or stairs. Next is X brand oil, also called as universal oil. Helps you to give relief of giddiness and headache. Gauze is used for wounds that cannot be covered by bandages. Pair of scissors to cut the gauze or adhesive bandages to required length. Digital thermometer. In case of fever, it is always advisable to keep the thermometer handy. Vicks Vapor Rub. Apply a thin layer to your child's feet and then put on the socks. Nesomist nasal drops. These drops are used for treating of cold, allergies, and congested nose. The next item is antiseptic tape, which helps to secure the cotton in place. It also gives additional protection over bandage. BreatheX capsule. You can just snip off one end of the capsule and put a few drops on the pillow or the bedding. Nasal aspirator helps to ease congestion in toddlers. Put a few drops of nasal drops and then use the aspirator. Torch to inspect the wound, cut or injury. Always keep it fully equipped by checking the batteries. And the last item is our ice bag in the refrigerator. We have mentioned around 24 items as must have in the first aid box. But the utmost point to be noted is, along with medicine, remember to give lots of hugs and kisses to your baby, as they heal not physical hurt but also calms the baby.